At the beginning, it was a little bit annoying to hear you saying blah, 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 blah at 2 p.m. But right now I realized that 2 p.m. makes me feel you are going to do it. Instead of just saying, yes, I'll take care of it. I'll talk to him. Correct. It makes such a big difference right now.
100%. And it goes back to one of the core fundamentals of EastonUniversity.com is being NSO, next step obsessed. And I know it appears that I'm adding additional work on myself, but I'm not. When I say, Phil, I will respond back to you by 2 p.m. if I haven't heard from you before then, fair enough. Now I know I can manage my day a lot better. Instead of having 100 tasks that may or may not get done on any given day, which most of them keep getting pushed to the next day, I know in each day I've got 9 things that I have committed to doing, and you know what? Unless a truck drives through the office and cuts our power and incapacitates me, I'm following up with Phil at 2 p.m. because I've made that commitment with myself. I've made that commitment with my customer. And Rolf as a manager would probably back me up on this. And I'm not saying his sales team needs work. It's every sales team. He's been a manager for decades. If we can just do that, make commitments and follow through on our commitments and do what we said we were going to do when we said we were going to do it, it projects this level of like elite, high credibility, high authority, and those are the people we want to do business with.